Filipino comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives in Filipino are used to compare two people, objects, or situations. These adjectives express the difference in degree or quality between the two things being compared. So in Filipino, comparative adjectives are typically formed in two main ways. The first one is using mas. So the word mas is added before the root adjective to indicate that something has a higher degree of the quality compared to another. This is the most common way to form comparatives. We have the word maganda, it becomes mas maganda. The second way to form the comparative adjective in Filipino is using higit na or lalong. So these are also used before the root adjective to indicate a higher degree similar to mas. Like we have the word mabilis, that means fast. So we can have the word higit or lalo, so it becomes higit na mabilis or lalong mabilis, it means faster. Let us have the following example sentences. Si Ana ay mas matangkad kesa sa kay Maria. So Ana is taller than Maria. Si Ana ay mas matangkad kesa sa kay Maria. When we say matangkad, that's tall. Mas masarap ang adobo kesa sa sinigang. So adobo is more delicious than sinigang. When we say masarap, that's delicious. Mas masarap ang adobo kesa sa sinigang. Mas mahal ang kotse ni Pedro kesa sa kotse ko. Pedro's car is more expensive than my car. When we say mahal, that means expensive. So mas mahal, more expensive. Mas mahal ang kotse ni Pedro kesa sa kotse ko. Si Juan ay mas matalino kesa sa kapatid niya. So Juan is smarter than his sibling. So matalino is intelligent, mas matalino is more intelligent, and then a kapatid is a sibling. Si Juan ay mas matalino kesa sa kapatid niya. Mas mabilis ang tren kesa sa bus. So the train is faster than the bus. Mabilis means fast and mas mabilis is faster. Mas maganda ang panahon ngayon kesa sa kahapon. So the weather today is better than yesterday. Maganda means good or pretty or beautiful, and then panahon is weather, and then kahapon is yesterday. Ngayon is now, kahapon is yesterday. Mas maganda ang panahon ngayon kesa sa kahapon. Mas malinis ang silid ni Ana kesa sa silid ko. So Ana's room is cleaner than my room. Malinis, that means clean. Mas malinis is cleaner, and then a silid is a room. Mas malinis ang silid ni Ana kesa sa silid ko. Mas malaki ang bahay nila kesa sa amin. So their house is bigger than ours. Malaki, that means big. Mas malaki is bigger, and then a bahay is a house. Mas malaki ang bahay nila kesa sa amin. Mas maingay dito kesa sa probinsya. So it's noisier here than in the province. So maingay is noisy, mas maingay is noisier, and then a probinsya is a province. Mas maingay dito kesa sa probinsya. Mas mahaba ang pila sa sinehan kesa sa tindahan. So the line at the cinema is longer than at the store. So mahaba is long, mas mahaba is longer, and then a pila is a line, a sinihan is a cinema, and then tindahan, that's a store. So mas mahaba ang pila sa sinihan kesa sa tindahan. And that is all about the Filipino comparative adjectives. I do hope you learned something new from this video, and see you in the next one.